looking for a mark, a little light inside the dark. I see a shape you haven't seen, the space that opens up between. My hands are reaching for the light. Your vision starts to...
If I played this song for you a year ago, you probably wouldn't guess it was AI. But today, I'm not so sure anymore. For years, AI music had the same problem. The vocals sound robotic. The melodies felt repetitive, right? And everything somehow lacked motion. But recently, I've been hearing songs that feel surprisingly different. So, I wanted to find out, has AI music finally crossed the line from interesting technology to something people would actually listen to? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in Mureka. Well, in case you don't know the domain is mureka.ai. And this is the landing page of the Mureka. It is my AI Spotify, I say. So in the homepage, there's a lot of music that is generated by this tool. And why not check it out the weekly top? Maybe we can start from this Ghost in Our Bed.
There's a coffee cup still sitting by the sink. Half your lipstick on it faded pink. Your boots still underneath the Hawthorne rack. Girl, I ain't had the nerve to move them back. Your good morning still echoes down these walls. I still turn around when I hear your song.
Oh, can you believe this is generated by AI? Unlike Spotify, you have this button remixed. So when you heard something nice, you can totally remix and make your own music. Isn't that fabulous? And let's go back. And when we scroll down, we have vibes. And on our left, we have a menu. So first, you can try it for free now. You can create a music video, you have a studio, and you can do music editing. And then you have a place that saves your music. This is a library, and you can manage the subscribe. Alright, this is very nice. Why not let's log in first? Yeah, and remember, you can try it for free without paying any money. Now I'm logged in, and this is my dashboard now. So, making music is very hard. Not because of people lack of ideas, but because turning an idea into a finished song usually requires a lot of skills. You know, songwriting, production, vocals, mixing, and mastering. Even with AI music tools, the process often feels limited. Many platforms can generate music, right? I know. But creating a completed song that feels structured, emotional, and polished is a much bigger challenge. But I want to create an example first, so let's click here, create music. And this interface is where we create our music. Don't be scared by the interface. You have 3 tabs, easy, custom, and soundtrack. This is easy mode. Instead of asking me to build a song from scratch, it walks me through the process step by step. Let's click here, stand. I find if you have any attachment, for example, like the melody, you can try to record yourself like and upload from here. Click the reference and upload, and you can even upload by your YouTube link. And for the vocal, you can choose a singer for you, and you can click here to preview. Nice. Okay, and you can even create a character. But let's do the baby step, okay? Let's first create the song. Let's click send. So easy mode is like an music agent that can really help you if you are not familiar with how to generate music by AI. So my agent is helping me to create this song already. You can see the skeleton. Wow, this is fast. So we already built 2 songs. Let's click here to preview.
see a shape you haven't seen, the space that opens up between.
Beautiful. What about the second one?
Hey, yeah. A blank page waiting for a mark, a little light inside the dark. I see a shape you haven't seen between.
Tell you what, I like the second one. You know, a few moments later, I had two complete song, lyrics, vocals, production, everything. Honestly, this is already sound more complete than I expected, right? And in each song, you can actually do more. For example, you can download it in different format, for example, like MP3, right? Yeah, like that. And notice that you can even download the stems. What stems meaning here? That's meaning that you can have the vocal in the one track and the drums or the bass in another. That will be easier for you to edit the song, and maybe you can cover your own AI generated song. So let's try it out. Click here. So we have AI detected stems, and also we have a vocals and the instrumental one. So let's try this first. Alright, so now we have two different tracks. So for example, if I want to cover the song, I should download the instrumental one. So in this track, you will find no vocals. Yeah, no vocals at all. You can cover it, right? And you can click here, Edit in Studio. In Studio, this is a really professional functionality, I say. So you can export the whole song, and you can manipulate the sound. This is very cool, right? And this is not even all. Back to our library, you can even make it into video. Let's click here, video. And you can find your lyrics here. And then you can choose your MV character. For example, that's this girl. And the background, maybe here. And also virtual style, maybe this one. And for the vibe, you can click here to, and you can select the keywords. And then you have a one-click mode and storyboard mode. And for the aspect ratio, you have many options, and I choose this one because I want it to be published in TikTok. And let's click here, create MV. And after generation, your MV will be appears here. Alright, so this tool can not only generate the music, but it can also help you to generate music video. And also you have this nice studio where you can change the songs directly. You can upload more materials. You can add a track here. If you generated more videos, you can even remix it. But one thing I found interesting is that the process doesn't stop after generation. Let's say I love the lyrics, but not the style. Instead of creating everything again, I can remix it. With a simple click, the song transforms into completely a different song. New arrangement, different energy, different mode. Yeah, now we generated two remix the song. Let's click here to hear the new version. I think it's better.
A big page waiting for a mark, a little light inside.
Nice.
I see a shape you haven't seen, the space that opens up between. My hands are reaching for the light, your vision starts to align with mine. The blue.
Yeah, now you already tried the easy mode. Now you have another try. Now let's dive in custom mode. Generating a song from a simple idea is impressive, but what if you want more control? That's where custom mode comes in. Instead of letting the platform decide everything, I can start shaping the song myself. I can write my own lyrics, choose a specific genre, describe the mode, adjust the vocal style, and even use reference material to get the final result. For this test, I decided to create a much more sophisticated song. Yes, I just generated the lyrics in Gemini and paste the lyrics here. And maybe the gender should be male. This is called AI generated. Let's click create. Okay, we already generated our song. Let's click here to play.
Got it. Let's flip the switch to English. Here's a high energy, hilarious synth-pop track about living in a world where absolutely everything is generated by prompts.
Error for reality not found. Are those real eyes or just some high-res lies?
Hit the render button.
1, 2, 3, go!
I met a girl on my time last night. Skin like porcelain, eyes too bright. She was chilling on a yacht in Malibu. But wait a minute.
Oh, and this is where I started to notice the difference. The structure feels intentional, the vocals match the mood surprisingly well, and final result sounds much closer to something I will actually save for a playlist, right? Hey, if you have a silence video you want to add background music to, you can use this functionality, soundtrack. So in soundtrack, all you need to do is upload your video or image. I just recorded this silence clip when I was boating. And we can describe the soundtrack, for example. And you can type the title and click create. And within seconds, we already generated 2 background music. You can click here to preview. That's really nice. What about second one? It actually matching the vibe that you have in your video. And you can adjust the volume by drag here. So in the video you have an original audio. You can choose the volume down or volume up. And when you're satisfied with everything, you can click here, download this video clip. Yeah, this is how you generate background music for your video. Alright, if you are ever wanted to create music but felt limited by technical side of production, Mureka is definitely worth exploring. I've placed the link in the description below if you would like to try it by yourself. Let me know what kind of song you'd create, and maybe next great song starts with nothing more than an idea. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so much for today. I hope you liked today's content, and don't forget to check the link in the description, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.